Copying and Bit Mitto Remote Control to a Multikoo Slide 433. The copying and storing operation is the same for all 433 MHz rolling code remote controls of this series. Step 1. Reset the Multikoo Slide 433 remote control. Simultaneously, press button 1 and 2 on the Multikoo Slide until the LED flashes. While holding down button 1, press button 2 3 times until LED flashing. Release the buttons of the Multikoo Slide. The remote control is ready to copy. Step 2. Copy and BFT rolling code remote control. The procedure is also the same for 4-button models. If you own an old BFT Mitto 2A model, press the hidden button on the back with a paperclip instead of pressing buttons 1 and 2 together. Place the 2 remote controls head to head. Press and hold down key 1 of the Multikoo Slide. You must hold it down until the end of the operation. When the LED flashes twice, press button 2 once while holding down button 1. Simultaneously, press buttons 1 and 2 of the BFT remote control or hidden key until the LED lights up steadily and the Multikoo Slide LED flashes. Release the BFT buttons and immediately afterwards press button 1. When the Multikoo Slide's LED becomes steady, you can release all the buttons. Now the Multikoo Slide emits a BFT rolling code on each button and can be stored on the automotive receiver. Step 3A. Remote storage of the duplicate Multikoo Slide on a BFT receiver. If you own an old BFT Mitto 2A model, instead of pressing keys 1 and 2 together, you must press the hidden key on the back with a paperclip. Press keys 1 and 2 of the original BFT remote control simultaneously until the LED lights up. Release both buttons of the BFT and immediately afterwards press button 1. Take the previously copied Multikoo Slide and hold down buttons 1 and 4 for a couple of seconds, then release them and press button 1. If you also have to memorize button 2, repeat the operation like this. Simultaneously, press buttons 1 and 2 of the original BFT remote control until the LED comes on. Release both buttons of the BFT, then press button 2 on the previously copied Multikoo Slide press, and hold down buttons 1 and 4 for a couple of seconds, and then press button 2. Your new Multikoo Slide 433 is stored and ready to operate. The procedure is also valid for 4-button models. Step 3B. Manual memorization of the duplicate Multikoo on a Clonix BFT receiver. Press the SW1 button on the BFT receiver. The DL1 LED starts flashing. Press buttons 1 and 4 on the Multikoo Slide together for 2 seconds. The LED on the receiver becomes steady. Press button 1 on the Multikoo Slide. The LED DL1 flashes and then returns steady, waiting to store other remote controls. After about 5 seconds, the LED goes off and the receiver exits the learning phase. If you also have to memorize button 2, repeat the operation like this. Press the SW2 button on the BFT receiver. The LED DL2 starts flashing. Press buttons 1 and 4 on the Multikoo Slide together for 2 seconds. The LED on the receiver becomes steady. Press button 2 on the Multikoo Slide. The LED DL1 flashes and then returns to steady, waiting to store other remote controls. Multikoo Slide 433 is ready to operate.